Welcome to this exceptional 12,000 square feet home, where an arts and crafts facade meets contemporary luxury. Originally built as artist studios back in 1892, this building has a rich history. It stood forgotten for years, now reborn through visionary transformation. Upon entering, you're welcomed by an 18-meter-high hall with a vast glass ceiling that floods the space with natural light. The striking bronze cantilevered staircase rises gracefully past travertine-clad walls. On the top floor, the heart of the home unfolds, an open-plan living area where the family room, dining space, and kitchen blend seamlessly for effortless entertaining. Adding to the charm, a winter garden with a retractable roof and gull-wing windows transforms into a rooftop terrace, perfect for warm evenings under the city lights. This home showcases exquisite materials and craftsmanship. Floor-to-ceiling oak doors inlaid with platinum exude elegance, while the kitchen's custom cupboards, made from salvaged Canadian barnwood and brushed with bronze, boast a distinctive silvery sheen. The bathrooms and powder rooms are masterpieces, adorned with vibrant marbles, onyx, and exquisite stones. Rich fabrics add warmth, while carefully chosen furniture complements the owner's modern art collection, featuring works by Diarmuid Kelly. This home is a statement of sophisticated taste, blending history and innovation for a truly exceptional living experience.